Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone display setting guys. In this video guys I will show you guys one by one step by step guys we will know about it. We will talk about display setting in our Samsung phone guys. So in this video guys I will show you guys adaptive brightness guys. How can you on in your Samsung phone guys, and guys how can you use it? Means guys auto brightness mode guys you want to on in your Samsung phone. So guys you can on it, and guys now let's see how to on adaptive brightness in our Samsung phone. In this video guys I will show you. So it's now time to start video fan. First of all guys we will have to come in our phone setting. So I will click on our phone setting. So guys scroll it, and guys you can see guys your display setting. So I will click on display setting. Then guys you can see your adaptive brightness mode. So guys you can on from here. So guys your brightness will display automatic. And guys when you will go outside guys your brightness will increase automatic. So guys like that guys you can use your auto brightness mode in your Samsung phone. And guys you want to off it, so guys you can off from here guys. So like that guys you can on and off your adaptive brightness. So I hope friends you've understood how to on and off adaptive brightness, and guys how can you use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.